I'd like to start by asking you to please join me on a quantum leap to the near future of manufacturing. This is Diego. He's Director of Operations at Novatech Manufacturing, a leading automotive component producer. It's Monday morning, just a few years from now, and Diego has just received an urgent notification. One of their key automotive clients has just placed a large and unexpected rush order for a customized variation of their electric vehicle control modules. This is a product variant they've never previously manufactured. Now, historically, responding to such a request would have taken weeks, involving retooling equipment, sourcing new parts, with extensive manual oversight and intervention. But in this near future, Diego simply submits the order into Novatech's Autonomous Automotive Manufacturing Management System, or AMMS. Within moments, AMMS has evaluated production capacities, existing materials inventories, and supplier networks. It dynamically adjusts production schedules across the entire facility, seamlessly shifting lower priority projects out of the way and scheduling production for this new rush order. Simultaneously, its procurement subsystem, integrated with blockchain-based smart contracts and Internet of Things enabled supply chain sensors, immediately identifies the required components and, recognizing that some of them are not in current inventories, launches an intelligent procurement agent onto global supplier networks, quickly negotiating and securing materials from certified suppliers. The orders are confirmed. Delivery schedules align perfectly with the manufacturing timeline, and the entire process from order confirmation to securing parts is completed in less than 10 minutes. On the factory floor, Amy, a senior production engineer, has received notification in her smart glasses that her expertise is required to oversee the initial setup of the production machinery because of the novelty of this product variant. So entering the facility, she's guided by augmented reality overlays, precisely indicating the adjustments needed to production line robotics. These digital assistants enable her to rapidly reconfigure machinery to precise specifications. A process which previously would have taken days is now completed in less than an hour. So the next morning, production begins exactly as scheduled. Human technicians work seamlessly alongside collaborative robots, or cobots, assisted by real-time AI-driven analytics that monitor every aspect of production for quality assurance. When one cobot signals a potential calibration drift, for example, the system immediately adjusts remotely, preemptively maintaining consistent product quality without having to pause operations. Now, across town at Nova Air, another factory in the Novatech industrial network, a market analytics platform has detected that due to the increasing number of climate change-driven wildfires, there's rapidly growing consumer demand for advanced, eco-friendly home air purification units. Brianna, who is Nova Air's product innovation manager, seizes the opportunity. And leveraging the AMMS, she inputs the market opportunity parameters. The AI system rapidly generates several product designs optimized for performance, sustainability, and profitability, including detailed cost projections. After reviewing the options, Brianna selects a high-performance design aligned with strategic corporate objectives. And immediately, the AMMS schedules procurement for parts and materials, dynamically adjusting inventory requirements and production timelines across Nova Air's partner supply network. Within 24 hours, prototypes are 3D printed directly at the manufacturing facility, where Brianna and her team can rigorously test them digitally and physically and approve them. Manufacturing lines across 3 different facilities are automatically reprogrammed to commence production within hours. At the same time, An intelligent marketing system initiates a targeted digital marketing campaign, dynamically adjusting messaging based on consumer engagement and market feedback, and orders begin pouring in, even as the initial products are coming off the line, seamlessly managed by AI-driven logistics, delivering new products directly from factories to customers within days. Finally, let's visit Novatech's state-of-the-art electric vehicle battery manufacturing facility. A predictive maintenance sensor embedded in a critical robotic welding machine identifies unexpected wear, signaling imminent failure within hours. In the past, such a failure could have halted operations for days. However, the system instantly alerts the intelligent procurement AI system, sourcing a replacement part, confirming its authenticity and quality versus via blockchain-based certifications, and because the need is so urgent, having the necessary component delivered rapidly via drone. Alex, the senior manufacturing technician, uses augmented reality guidance through his smart glasses, ensuring rapid and accurate installation. The part is seamlessly replaced, completely eliminating downtime, production schedules are unaffected, and client deliveries remain on track, safeguarding profits and reputation. These are just a few examples of the very near future of manufacturing.